red color, purple color, yellow color, brown color, orange color, green color, sky blue color, black color, light green color, blue color, light pink color, and green color. So kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, for black color, blue color, red color, green color, white color, and yellow color. So kids, now you draw A and use black color. A for aeroplane. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for God. Kids neither H and use blue color. H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J. J for jackfruit. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. Kids now draw O and use red color. O. O for octopus. Kids now draw P. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. Kids now draw V and use green color. V for van. W. W for whale. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. And Z. Z for the blue color, black color, red color, green color, white color, and yellow color. So kids, now I draw one and use blue color. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now I draw 11 and use black color. Twelve, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19 and use red color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
20,
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I
21,
know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
22,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
23,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
24,
X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
25. It's now you draw 26 and use green color. Twenty-seven, 28, 29, 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.